What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2016 Mercedes S63 AMG Coupe. We got this car from Copart with the left side collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link in description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Us picking up the car and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 2, I already got the parts so we could start working on the car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new video. Don't forget to like this video as well. And now let's get to work. I just got some of the parts for the S-Class. I got the control arm, the fender. So right now we're gonna give the Mercedes a quick bath so it's nice and clean, and we'll pull the car inside of the shop and start working on suspension. Let's do this. Much better. Finally looks like somewhat as a car. It was really filthy dirty, so it looks a lot better. So now we could pull the car inside and start working on it. Let's do it. I got the Mercedes inside of the shop. I got my new control arm and a new headlight pocket. Here's the headlight pocket and then new control arm. So I'm gonna change this out and hopefully the suspension will be okay. And then replace this guy as well, and we'll see how everything goes. So here's the upper control arm, and it's pretty bent, so hopefully that will do the trick. It should bring the suspension back to normal position. So let's replace this guy real quick and we'll go from there. So this is how bent the upper control is, and this is how bent the lower control is, and this is how it's supposed to be straight. We got brand new upper and lower control arms, so let's install everything, and I think we should be good. That's it, my friends. Just put the suspension back together. So we replaced upper control arm, as you guys could see, extremely damaged, and same with the lower control. They're both damaged like crazy. So next I will wait for the new wheels. New wheels should be arriving shortly, within a week or so. And once we get the new wheels, I'll do the alignment and we'll find out if anything else is damaged. But from the looks of it, looks like everything should be okay, hopefully. Crossing my fingers. We'll find out once we do the alignment. So for now, we'll install the old wheel back, so this way we could move the car around. Meanwhile, we'll do the body work. I gotta repair the hood, install the fender, change this headlight support as well. It's damaged right here. Yeah, so we got most of the parts, and I'm still waiting for the front bumper. We'll still work on the car and we'll go from there. Andre just painted the fender, so now I could install the fender, align all the gaps, and I gotta repair the hood. We got little damage on the edge of the hood. Let me show it to you guys. Check it out. So yeah, we gotta do little body work right here. Pretty much this whole section I gotta do body work. So right now we're gonna install the fenders, make sure gaps are perfect, and then I could apply my first layer of body filler. Just installed the fender and we got a little hood damage. Here's bent a little bit and right here. So I gotta straighten this part of the hood. The rest looking good. Everything lines up really well. Everything's flush. So yeah, just this part and then this part I gotta bang it out. I'm all finished with body work, just applies body filler and then for the final glaze. And then I went with 320, just sanded everything down, so it's super smooth. So we're pretty much ready for our primer. Let's check it out. Boom, look at this. Super smooth and ready to go. And I always forget to show you guys, this stuff is the best. So what we usually do after we do 320, we'll rub this one and kind of like wax, and this stuff is amazing. Pretty much covers like the smallest pinholes that you can't even really see on camera or in person. So I'll show you exactly what we do. So you shake this thing really well, and then you apply on whatever body work you did on that surface, and you'll never have any pinhole or scratches or anything. This stuff is amazing. Highly recommend. So you get a rag, and then you apply this stuff. Shake well. And then this stuff is amazing. Kind of just do like wax on, wax off. You just wax this thing in. And then just wipe it down. Boom, and that's it. And now if you guys could see, like those little, all those little black little pins, those are all pinholes. So that's a major key to do this stuff when you're done with something like this. Now we're ready for primer. Let's go. We got lots of progress on the Mercedes. I changed the suspension, we got a new fender, and repaired the hood as well. So now we're ready for our paint. And I'm still waiting for the new wheel. I can't do alignment yet. We got brand new 4 rims coming, and they're gonna be different kind of wheels. So you guys gonna have to stick around and find out what they're gonna look like. So right now we're gonna start the painting process. I gotta remove the door handle, the molding, the mirrors, and the rocker molding, because we gotta have to paint the rocker moldings. And I also got some new mirror caps, carbon fiber, and they look really nice on both sides. Look at that, boom, that looks amazing. So that's the progress on it. So let's take everything apart and start the painting process. Just took the door apart completely, so we're all done and time for paint. So we're gonna paint the door, paint the fender, paint the hood, and blend this fender. So my job is done for now. Time for Andre to do his magic and make this thing look like brand new again. And then we'll start putting it back together. Let's do this, let's go. Andre killed it once again. Look at this. Perfect paint job. No dirty spots, no nothing. Like nothing ever happened. Just pulled the Mercedes out of the spray booth and man, this thing's looking beautiful. I love the pearl white color. It's like such a rich color and especially under the sun is just shining bright like a diamond. Let's take a look. Check it out. Look at this beauty. Such a beast. Man, this thing is super nice. Once we put the bumper, we got different wheels coming. Oh boy, this thing's gonna look super nice. So for now, we'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 3. That's gonna be the last part. We got some new wheels coming. We're gonna install the bumper, put the door together, pretty much wrap this thing up, wash, detail, and it's ready for delivery. And the new owner is waiting for it and he's super excited to get his beautiful Mercedes. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what you do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 3. До свидания!